key markers of youthful breasts: 1, location of the nipple in the chest in related to other components. You can see here that this patient who came for consultation, the nipple is low. It's supposed to be, the height of the nipple needs to be somewhere in the halfway of the arm. Here, it's more closer to the elbow. The second is the upper slope of the breast that connects to the third key marker. You can see that the slope here has a shape of a wave, so it's missing a volume. There's no shape of the upper slope. And the third component is the breast projection. And you can see here that it's not really projecting out. So in order to solve this, we need to redefine the location of the nipple, add volume, restore it, and create a nicer slope. So what I did, breast lift and added an implant. And this is how it looks later. You see that the nipple is in a higher position, somewhere in the 50%, like halfway through the arm. The slope is more prominent. It's not negative, it's more positive. And there is a nice volume addition with a silicone implant.